Trace-A-Matic is a high-quality machine shop located in Brookfield, Wisconsin, offering 250,000 square feet of manufacturing in 5 buildings. It was established in 1968 and continues to be a premier provider of large component machining, producing parts for many industries, including oil and gas, food and drug, aerospace, medical, and power generation. This high-tech and well-diversified company has great capability and versatility, using creative problem-solving and superior engineering technical services, continuing to set industry standards for quality and customer satisfaction, with competitive pricing, large part capability, and dependable delivery. Trace-A-Matic's horizontal milling operation includes a dynamic range of machine resource that constitutes a highly productive portion of the company's physical plant. For higher production runs, there are 6 Mazak FH machining centers here. All have pallet changers so you can load a part on one pallet. While that part is being machined, load another pallet with another part. There is no dead machining time here. The Mazak FH machining centers can hold 120 tools, allowing us to attack and conquer parts with extensive features in-on setup. Though the Mazak's FHs are considered higher production machines, Trace-A-Matic can run relatively small lot sizes efficiently. Horizontal milling high production areas work on parts used in the healthcare industry, pipeline maintenance, light industrial applications, the medical field, and the power generation business. Trace-A-Matic features a wealth of horizontal machining centers that are aimed at lower volume production. These machines have very large work envelopes and excellent accuracies. Trace-A-Matic has many horizontal machining centers offering great versatility. Our strong engineering staff brings tooling, fixturing, and process knowledge to bear on your machining challenge. We have great familiarity with stainless, titanium, and other exotic, difficult-to-machine materials. This machine in the Mazak FH series demonstrates Trace-A-Matic's efficiency. Setup time is reduced because it can be performed during the cycle time of another pallet. This large FH10800 machine has a 2-meter cube capacity and is shown here working on a gear house cover for a big engine block. This Mazak FH6800 horizontal milling machine has fast spindle speeds, extensive tool magazines, indexing pallets, and excellent accuracy. This is true of the whole FH series. This machine is working on pump housings for the food industry. You're looking at a Mazak FH6000, hard at work here milling a clamp for an oil application. This KBM11 has travels of 78 inches by 59 inches by 57 inches and can accommodate a workpiece of up to 14,000 pounds. It is also equipped with a B-axis. Here, the KBM is working on fluid ends used in the fracking industry, the process of extracting natural gas from the earth. In this Kuraki KBM 11X horizontal, we are machining a shaft that will eventually be used in the oil and gas exploration industry. Here's a Kuraki machine engaged in some large part horizontal milling. Here we're machining keyways on a roller used in the processing of ceramics. This Kuraki KBT 11WA is running connecting rods to be used in the power plants of naval ships. The Yazda horizontal milling machine offers one of the larger work envelopes at Trace-A-Matic. It's well maintained and provides customers with extreme accuracies when their part configurations demand it. Here, the Yazda is milling a water cooling tank for an engine. Trace-A-Matic horizontal milling has an option to offer regardless of lot size. We have the flexibility, versatility, and capability to satisfy any customer's needs. Trace-A-Matic has tremendous vertical turning capability. Our overall capacity gives us more ways to be responsive to our clients, more ways to meet customer demand. Trace-A-Matic has one of the largest number of vertical spindles in the Midwest to provide that extensive capacity, with machining capabilities to work on parts of considerable size, up to 92 inches in diameter. Our machines deliver finished parts that adhere to extremely close tolerances, plus or minus 1/1000th, and very tight tolerances on exotic materials like titanium, stainless steel, Hastelloy, Inkalloy, and Monel. Trace-A-Matic has many of their vertical spindles arranged in cells. Customer part process is designed so that both spindles are making chips on the workpiece at the same time for faster throughput and significant cost savings. Our vertical turning machines work on parts that are used in the aerospace industry, mining, power generation, and food processing applications. The scope of our vertical turning capability starts with our Twin Merit twin spindles with approximately 23-inch diameter chucking capacity. With two spindles working simultaneously, the part is finished at a reduced final cost for our clients. The part being worked on here is part of a motor assembly for a bus. The Okuma and Hawa 2 SPV80 has two spindles, enabling two operations to be done in the same cycle time. This vertical turning operation is working on parts which will be used for pipeline maintenance equipment. The Puma VT1100, which we run side by side as a cell, is one of Trace-A-Matic's medium-sized machines with a capability of approximately 42 inches in diameter. The part being machined in this picture is a gear blank used in the oil and gas industry. Our New Century VTLs range up to 92-inch swing. This machine is working on a large seal ring. The seal rings we manufacture are used in the aerospace and nuclear power industries. This New Century vertical turning lathe set up to run a pump body that will be used in the processing of oil sands. Trace-A-Matic machines pump bodies for many industries. Trace-A-Matic vertical turning. We offer a wide range of chucking capacity along with the process savvy to run simultaneous operations, efficiently yielding a cost-effective result. Nearly every industry can take advantage of the equipment Trace-A-Matic employs for horizontal turning. Our company has tremendous size capability, handling parts of up to 13 feet long and nearly 2 feet in diameter. Many of our horizontal machining centers are arranged in cells, often supplemented with CNC vertical or horizontal milling, or pairs of slant lathes with live tooling. Each cell produces a finished part machined complete. It's all designed to provide maximum efficiency for a wide variety of part configurations. Trace-A-Matic's horizontal turning runs parts used for food and drug processing, mining, and oil and gas exploration. This large capacity lathe is part of the Mazak PowerMaster series. This machine handles parts of up to 156 inches long, can swing 23 inches over the carriage, and 32 inches over the ways. On this job, the machine is handling a shaft used in oil drilling. This Mazak M5 can take on parts up to 120 inches long and is seen here working on a part for an underwater deep-sea pipeline. Trace-A-Matic features a number of Mazak quick turns, many with live tooling. The cells also include vertical milling, so we can fully produce many parts within the time frame of the longest cycle. This saves our customers money. These two cells are producing components for the fracking industry. Fracking is the process of extracting natural gas from deep beneath the Earth's surface. One of our first forays into lean manufacturing in a job shop environment, this cell includes turning, CNC grinding, and milling capability to produce complete various shaft configurations up to 6 inches in diameter and 60 inches long. This machine is pictured here working on mining components, but Trace-A-Matic runs different parts every day, finishing with tight tolerances and giving more flexibility to our customers. These Mazak machines are larger than the quick turns and have a capacity of 80 inches long and 18 inches in diameter. Here we're working on a titanium forging that will eventually be part of a helicopter rotor drive. These are expensive forgings, and that means high risk. Trace-A-Matic is confident in taking on this risk. And here's a cell with 2 horizontal turning and 1 vertical milling machines, working on a valve for petroleum processing. Trace-A-Matic's horizontal turning. Many OEMs from all across America have had their components machined right here, efficiently, effectively, and economically, turning to us because of our capability and versatility. Trace-A-Matic's vertical milling operations give our clients a lot of bang for the buck. It's an attractive, economical option for the right applications that don't need a horizontal machining center. The advantages of vertical milling? For the right kind of workpiece configuration, the vertical machining center is much quicker to set up and position. Our CNC vertical machining centers can handle a wide range of parts from a wide range of industries, including oil and gas, railroad, and power generation. The SNK RB6VM vertical milling machine is the biggest piece of equipment in the entire Trace-A-Matic operation. It has travels of 240 by 136 inches and table weight capacity of 30,000 pounds. This machine has two heads, vertical and horizontal, which allows for fewer setups. We can access 5 faces in one setup. In these pictures, the SNK is working on a rotary turntable base for a machine tool. The VX750M vertical milling machine has 30 by 60 inch travels that will accommodate many part configurations. It's equipped with a 5th axis for contouring work. In this video, the VX is working on a flywheel for an uninterrupted power supply application. The VMC 8030 has longer travels, servicing parts of up to 80 inches long. Just as we run our slant lathes and cells, we also run this pair of vertical mills concurrently when the opportunity exists. It's another low-cost machining center, which can work on a wide range of equipment, offering our customers an efficient and cost-effective approach. This machine is working on a stainless steel nozzle for the petroleum processing industry. Another Trace-A-Matic vertical milling machine is the Supermax V218B. Here, the Supermax is doing some face milling and drilling into this part. Among the vertical machining centers offered is the gantry-style Kuraki with travels of 52 by 98 inches. The machine is equipped with a full contouring V-axis, making it ideal for milling complex surfaces in larger diameter rolls for printing, labeling, consumer products, and many other applications. Trace-A-Matic vertical milling, a terrific economical option for the right kind of parts, servicing many business sectors and industries. Trace-A-Matic is meeting a high industry demand for part verification with its coordinate measuring machines. Customer requirements are driven by the demands of competition within their particular industry. Tight tolerances and high accuracy are needed to give our customers a competitive advantage. Trace-A-Matic can verify customer parts. It's a sure thing. Our clients can rest assured with documented part configuration confirmation. How does it work? Using a program we generate from customer part files, we locate from predetermined datums and find the actual sizes and locations of all features specified. Hole locations, surface locations, bore sizes, all measured. The measurements are taken during the CMM cycle and are recorded online and reported to the customer. Utilizing flexible fixturing, our inspectors can load parts onto the CMMs to run unattended overnight, yielding results for review in the morning. The tight tolerances Trace-A-Matic works with for verification are important in all industry sectors. For example, in the healthcare industry product line, where absolute precision is critical to machines that pinpoint cancerous areas in a patient's body, an operation depending upon the accuracies that are assured by our coordinate measuring machines. Trace-A-Matic's coordinate measuring machines provide our customers with one-stop shopping, providing confirmation of the success of the execution of our process plan. Our CMMs, operated by our expert inspectors, are another example of Trace-A-Matic's full range of services and commitment to quality and customer service. Trace-A-Matic's substantial and diverse stable of cutting-edge CNC machinery produces superior finished parts, creating tremendous customer service and customer loyalty and earning a prestigious reputation within the industry. Trace-A-Matic continues to add respected companies to a long list of satisfied customers who keep coming back because of our quality work, competitive pricing, large part capability, and dependable delivery. Trace-A-Matic, developing long-term relationships with our customers that will ensure the success of both parties well into the future.